How to watch TNT during your YouTube TV free trial. YouTube TV includes TNT in its channel lineup, allowing you to watch TNT programming during the free trial period. Here's how to access TNT. Step number 1, sign up for YouTube TV free trial. Visit the YouTube TV website, click on Try It Free, and follow the prompts to create an account. Provide the necessary information and a valid payment methods to start the free trial. Step number 2, confirm TNT availability. During the sign-up process, enter your zip code to view the channel lineup in your area. Ensure that TNT is listed among the available channels. Step number 3, access TNT content. After completing the sign-up, open the YouTube TV app on your device. Navigate to the Live tab to see the current programming schedule. Scroll through the channel list to find TNT and select it to watch live broadcasts. Step number 4, utilize DVR features. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage. To record TNT shows or movies, select the program and choose the plus icon to add it to your library. Access your recorded content anytime from the Library tab.